Hello, human resource professionals. This is your host. Your regular host has been rendered obsolete and ergo has been replaced. I am your HR myth, HostBot 3000.
JK, it's just me, guys. Your normal, totally not a robot HR Miss host. Did you miss me? Oh, thanks. But let's get serious. Today we're talking about automation. Understandably, many HR professionals fear automation will take their jobs. They're no doubt responding to studies like the one from Oxford University, where the odds of HR administrative jobs being automated were estimated at a 90%. Now, for the record, that's by the year 2035, but still. The operative word there is administrative. Automation is about taking over the repetitive, technical, manual tasks that most likely you don't want to do anyways, like collecting and processing data. So what does that leave for you? Well, a lot, in fact. KPMG identified HR functions that only humans can do, including strategy, change management, and employee relations. As HR Daily Advisor noted, a robot can spit out data, but it can't create a strategic plan or mediate conflict between two employees. A study by Deloitte reaffirms this, finding that automation can enhance and evolve employees' roles rather than outright replacing them. In other words, HR isn't being replaced, it's transforming. For HR, that means getting to do a lot more of the stuff you like to do, but can't get to because you're too busy doing tasks that could and should be automated. Deloitte even found that automation creates more jobs because while automation can crunch the numbers faster than any of us, it's up to humans to determine what to do with them. The more we embrace what technology can do for us, the more we get to use our hard skills to determine what we do with it and where our organization goes from here. Like what you see? Well, let us know by hitting that like button and commenting below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel by hitting that little bell to get notification on all of our latest videos. Yeah.